The question is this: can racing simulators really make you a better driver? We're at Classic Race Simulators to find out.
Classic Race Simulator started in 2013 and I was asked to come and have a look at the business in 2015 and I took it over then. At the time we were making simulators based on bodies of 1960s race cars. So at the time we turned it into an entertainment business where we would have 10 simulators all linked together, could race round circuits, and we did events such as the Silverstone Classic and a few parties and events. However, the pandemic situation changed a lot of things where there were no events, no parties, and so I decided to use the skills that we developed to make the best simulators we could possibly make. Yeah, well, I think for me, the most important thing is we're not creating a simulator, we're creating an experience. So if you want to drive Ayrton Senna's car around Brands Hatch, you need to feel like you're in that car. So we developed our own components. We have our own rig, which is made out of aluminium extrusion. We use 25 Newton meter steering motors. We make our own steering wheels, and recently we make our own pedals and our own gear shifters, which feel like a historic gear shifter. These are the pedals that we make, and these pedals are made from two billets of aluminium that are machined. They're fully adjustable in every respect, and we've even got a self-lubricating pin there, so you don't have to worry about greasing it. These are just beautiful. Well, I mean, first of all, if you're a race driver, and we have a few historic racers have our simulators, it enables them to get track time without the expense or without losing domestic credits by being away all weekend. And it also saves them a significant amount of money. So if you're a client who wants to go practice at Spa, you can, after your dinner, you can take a glass of wine down and sit in a rig that is configured pretty much like your car, and you can drive your car for an hour around Spa or whichever circuit you like. And yeah, although we have the rigs that you see behind us, our main speciality is recreations of old race cars. So we've built a 1988 replica of a Formula One car for a client. We've just finished building a replica of a late 50s simulator for a client, and that we've developed our own motion base for that. And the simulator also has working dials and gauges in the simulator. We've created a number of simulators which you can see on our website, but mostly historic cars, because those are the cars that I love. If you want to go to a circuit or a track day, for example, first of all, you can get practice on these. The circuits are virtually identical with all the same bumps and the same corners. So you can learn the circuit before you go. And particularly if you're going racing, to know the circuit before you go there and have practiced on it for hours and hours means you're going to perform better when you get to the circuit. When you come down here, you'll see the passion we have, the attention to detail, and the love we have of motorsport.